Most people visit a city, find the official viewpoint, snap the exact same photo as everyone else, and call it a day. But locals have their own don't tell tourists spots, quiet hills, rooftops, and weird little corners where the skyline feels like it's yours. Today I'm taking you to 10 tourist cities with secret viewpoints only locals talk about. And yes, one comes with a bonus viewpoint after it, so don't click away when we hit the top. Quick promise, nothing illegal, nothing hop a fence. These are legit spots where you can show up, breathe, and look up. Still, always check current opening hours and local rules, because cities love to change things the second we get attached. Also, I'm going to slip in one sunset move that makes your photos look expensive without fancy gear, so listen for it. Hi, I'm Carley, and if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so I can make more videos like these. Here on Carley Meanders, we wander through famous places, but we linger for the quiet stories and secret details locals love to tell. Tiny challenge, as we go, comment the city you'd steal a sunset from, just the city name. I'm keeping score. And if you've been to any of these, drop your own secret viewpoint in the comments. Gatekeep gently, okay? Alright, 10 cities, 10 views, and one bonus after one. Let's meander. Number 10, London, and no, we're not doing the postcard bridge shot. Go to Parliament Hill on Hampstead Heath, where London's skyline lines up like a toy set you can actually breathe around. It's one of those spots where locals bring coffee, dogs, and zero sense of urgency, and honestly, good for them. From up here, you can spot big hitters like St. Paul's, the Shard, and the City Towers without feeling like you're in a crowd funnel. Micro moment. Sit down for 2 minutes and watch the city move while you're completely still. It's oddly calming. Cinematic move. Do a slow pan as the clouds shift. London does moody better than anyone. Practical tip. Weekday mornings are the quietest, and a bench makes a perfect no-fuss tripod, and a tiny zoom makes treetops frame landmarks beautifully. Number 9, Tokyo, the city of paid observation decks, with a free plot twist. The Bunkyo Civic Center has a free observation lounge on an upper floor, and it's quietly one of the smartest views in town. You get Tokyo's skyline, a clean angle on Tokyo Skytree, and on clear days, even Mount Fuji can show up like a cameo. Because it's not a big-ticket tourist tower, the vibe is surprisingly normal. Couples, students, office folks on a break. Okay, here's the reveal. Free skyline views in Tokyo, free. If you love travel secrets like that, hit subscribe right now, because I collect these like emotional support souvenirs. Bonus tip, go close to sunset for blue hour to neon sparkle, and hold your lens close to the glass to cut reflections for a cleaner shot. Number 8, Lisbon, where the hills basically do cardio on your behalf. Skip the crowded famous Miraduros for Miraduro de Monte Agudo, tucked between Graça and Anjos like it's hiding on purpose. It's small, local, and the view feels like you're standing inside a postcard that forgot to invite the crowds. You'll see tiled rooftops, domes, and that soft Lisbon light that makes everything look like a film still. Relatable reality. Yes, you will be slightly out of breath. No, you are not weak. Lisbon is just built different. Sunset move, I promised. Tap to focus on the sky, not the buildings, so the city drops a little darker and instantly looks cinematic. And please, keep voices low if it's peaceful. This spot feels special because locals still treat it like a neighborhood living room. Number 7, Barcelona, and locals really do whisper about this one. Turó de la Rovira, aka the Bunkers del Carmel, gives you a 360 view that makes Barcelona look like it's laid out for a model train set. It used to be a military site, and now it's the unofficial sunset hangout. Friends, snacks, and zero pretense. Vibe check. Don't blast music, don't litter, and don't climb on sketchy edges for a main character shot. Cinematic moment. Film silhouettes at golden hour, then stay 10 minutes after sunset when the city lights pop on like glitter. Snack tip. Bring something small and take your trash with you. Sunset tastes better when you leave no trace. If you want the calmest climb, go earlier in the afternoon and claim a spot before the real sunset crowd arrives. Number 6, San Francisco, where the hills are rude, but the views apologize. Ennicoulbrith Park in Russian Hill is tiny, and somehow gives you that "how is this free" skyline moment. You catch downtown, the bay, and a clean peek at Coit Tower, without doing the full tourist queue thing. It's a local pocket park vibe, a few steps, a few benches, and that breezy San Francisco chill. Pattern interrupt. Pause and guess. Fog or no fog today? That's the city's favorite prank. Photo tip. Shoot a little lower than you think you should. The layers of rooftops make the skyline feel deeper. If you see fog rolling in, stay anyway. Watching it swallow the buildings is half the show. And bring a light jacket, even if it looks sunny. San Francisco loves a plot twist. Number 5, Seoul, the city that saves its best views for the evening. Naksan Park runs along part of the old Seoul City Wall, and at night the skyline looks like it's been switched on with a remote. You get this gorgeous mix: modern towers far off, historic stone walls close up, and warm streetlights doing their thing. Walk slowly. This is not a race to the top spot. It's a take 47 photos and pretend you're choosing one spot. Cinematic move. Shoot through the wall opening so the city looks framed like art. Low-key tip. Aim for dusk, when the wall lights and the city lights overlap for a few magical minutes. And as always, stick to the paths and be respectful. Night views are better when you're not stressed. Number 4, Copenhagen, where someone looked at a power plant and said, "Put a mountain on it." Copenhill, also called Amagerbakke, has a rooftop you can hike up for views, and yes, it's as wild as it sounds. You're basically walking on top of modern sustainability with a skyline payoff at the summit. The best part? During opening hours, rooftop access is free, and even the elevator up is free. This is your "humans are weird in a good way" travel moment. Mini challenge. If you go, take a photo that proves you're on a power plant, without it looking like a power plant. And if you happen to visit on a clear day, linger. Copenhagen's light can be soft and silver, like a calm filter in real life. Number 3, Cape Town, and we're doing a view that feels like a secret handshake. Kloof Corner is a short hike with a massive payoff. City Bowl, ocean, and those dramatic mountains showing off. Locals recommend it when you say, "I want the view, but I'm not trying to become an athlete today." Cinematic moment. Film the shadows moving across the 12 Apostles mountain range. Cape Town light is unreal. Practical safety, bestie style. Go in daylight, bring water, and don't hike alone if you're unsure. Short doesn't mean risk-free. If it's windy, treat your hair like it's in a music video and commit. And when you reach the viewpoint, step back from the edge. Your heart rate will thank you. Number 2, Mexico City, where the skyline surprises you because you're not expecting it. At the Monumento a la Revolution, there's a 360 observation deck you reach by a glass elevator, so the ride is part of the drama. From up there, the city stretches forever, and at sunset it turns into that warm glow that makes people fall in love with CDMX. This is a perfect first-day viewpoint because it helps your brain map out where everything is. Cinematic move. Point your camera straight down for 2 seconds. The geometry of the monument is weirdly satisfying. Little tip: sunset is popular, so go a touch earlier and you'll actually get space to breathe up there. Okay, deep breath, because 1 is the one I'd save for a last night in the city moment. Number 1, Edinburgh, the city that looks like it was built for novels. Blackford Hill is the quieter climb locals love. Big views, fewer crowds, and a skyline that feels medieval in the best way. You can see across Edinburgh with Arthur's Seat in the distance like a dramatic co-star. If you go near late afternoon, the light makes the stone buildings glow, like the city is lit from inside. And if it's drizzly, still go. Edinburgh looks even more dramatic when the sky can't decide what mood it's in. This is the spot where you stop talking mid-sentence because the view is doing too much. Alright, you made it to 1. Now here's the bonus viewpoint I promised, because we're not ending on a predictable note. Bonus viewpoint. Still Edinburgh, but a totally different vibe. Head to the Vennel Steps viewpoint for a quick cinematic angle on Edinburgh Castle, like a postcard that found a dark academia wardrobe. It's not a highest point view, it's a storybook street view, and honestly, that's sometimes even better. Pro move. Go early or late, stand to the side and let people pass so you're not blocking the stairs like a tourist traffic cone. If you've watched this far, comment viewpoint so I know you're one of my people. And if you want more secret city angles, my next video is all about world-famous landmarks with odd little rules tour guides quietly follow. Trust me, it gets weird. If you're building a bucket list, screenshot this list and send it to your favorite travel buddy with a simple message. Pick one, we go. Quick recap so your brain can screenshot it. London, Tokyo, Lisbon, Barcelona, San Francisco, Seoul, Copenhagen, Cape Town, Mexico City, Edinburgh. Which one are you claiming for your next trip? No overthinking, just your gut answer. Like the video if you learned even one new spot, because it tells YouTube you want more hidden travel stories. And subscribe for more travel secrets that feel like you're getting the local group chat without the awkward small talk. Okay, bestie, pack light, look up often, and I'll see you in the next one.